Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to switch off or restart any iPhone and iPad devices without needing to touch. So without any further delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone smartphone. So firstly what you need to do is just turn on your internet connections, whether you are having a Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. So right now I'm gonna use my mobile data connections. So you need to turn on your internet connections, whether it's a Wi-Fi or cellular internet connections. After that, just click on this settings and just select this Siri. Now just click on this talk to Siri. So I've already enabled it. So if it is off, then just select this Hey Siri to enable the Siri application. Now once you enable both this option, so let me place this smartphone on the table. So I'm not gonna touch this iPhone smartphone. So just say, Hey Siri, restart my phone. So it's asking to confirm. So you can see after saying confirm, it's restarting my iPhone smartphone. So wait for a few seconds until the complete restarting is done. So finally, my iPhone smartphone has restarted. Now let us try to switch off our iPhone smartphones. So once again say, Hey Siri, turn off my phone. Now say confirm. So now you can see it has switched off my iPhone smartphone. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily switch off or restart any iPhone and iPad devices without needing to touch very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.